dying to book another trip or learn how to make your trips even better, then this video is for you. Today we are going over 50 quick travel tips in 5 minutes, and we're gonna jump right into it because we have a lot of ground to cover. These tips are gonna include all my best tips for packing, planning, saving money to travel more, points and miles tips, and safety travel tips. And I swear by all of these travel tips, this is exactly how I'm able to travel as often as I do. So let's get to it. Start the clock here. I have my handy list of quick travel tips ready to go, and let's get started. Quick tips for packing. Number 1, plan each outfit before packing to prevent overpacking. Number 2, roll your clothes instead of folding. Number 3, use compression packing cubes. Number 4, use a large carry-on instead of a small carry-on if you're traveling carry-on only. Number 5, bring minimal liquids. 6, pack liquids in a plastic disposable bag inside of your suitcase to prevent your liquids from exploding in your suitcase and making a mess. 7, use a hanging toiletry bag. This will save you space in your hotel room. 8, pack an entire backpack as your personal item for extra space. 9, wear big jackets and coats onto the plane if they don't fit in your suitcase. And number 10, remember, worst case scenario, if you need it there, you can probably buy it there. Next category is travel planning tips. 11, ideally start planning your trips between 9 to 12 months in advance. Search on Google, YouTube, Pinterest, Instagram, etc. for the best travel guides and tips for that destination. Don't underestimate Pinterest for travel guides and tips, and don't underestimate YouTube for travel guides and tips. If you need a good place to start, I am both on, obviously, here on YouTube and Pinterest, so give me a follow / subscribe on these platforms. That's a good place to start. Chase the deals, not the destination, meaning let the deals choose your destination for you. Once you've chosen your destination, typically you'll want to start by booking your flights, then book your hotels, then make a Google map with all of the different places you want to visit in that destination so you know how close they are to each other and if you can do it all in one trip. Then book your transportation. This could be public transportation, buses, trains, renting a car, using a private or shared transfer, etc. And lastly, follow and DM travel bloggers on social media who have been to these destinations. Most of us are more than happy to help you out, especially if you give us a follow first and then just send us a DM. We're happy to help most of the time. Most of the bloggers I know are enthusiastic about answering your questions. Next up, quick tips for traveling more to save money. Save 5 to 10% of your monthly income for travel. Then set aside this 5 to 10% into a high yield savings account and automate the monthly transfer from accounts so that you can save passively. Also, keep your travel dates flexible if possible. Check Google Flights for the cheapest flights available. Use Hotwire to book very cheap luxury hotel stays, especially if they're last minute. Check Costco Travel and VIP Traveler for cheap luxury vacation packages. Pick a maximum budget before you really start planning and stick to it. Buy, or better yet, if you're me, Instacart groceries in your destination instead of eating out for every meal. And leverage credit card travel points and miles to book free travel. We'll talk a lot about this in a minute. Next, safety tips for traveling. Travel in groups whenever you can, or if you're traveling solo, choose safe destinations for solo travel. Respect TSA and all other security regulations. If you see something, definitely say something. Keep your phone charged at all times. This is super important. Bring a portable charger everywhere if you need to. Be discreet when handing valuables in public, like your phone, like your wallet, and your cash on you. So some places you don't want to have your phone taking out selfies in public spaces because of pickpocketing. Keep at least one hand free at all times. I say this because my husband almost got pickpocketed in Rome because he had 2 suitcases in his hand, so he was an easy target. He didn't have a way to defend himself. Try to blend in with the local culture, act confident and never look like easy prey, and never look like you're lost. Whew, 10 more tips. Can we do it? The last category is quick points and miles tips for traveling for free. First, leverage credit card welcome offers to earn points and miles fast. Treat your credit cards like debit cards always. Always pay off your cards in full on time each month. Set your payments to auto pay if you can to avoid late payments. Do not carry super high balances. Do not spend more money than you have in cash in your bank account ever. Earn and burn your points to avoid point devaluation. Open business travel credit cards to earn even more welcome offers. Close unused or unnecessary cards after 1 year to avoid paying annual fees unnecessarily. You'll want to keep it open for an entire year, then close the card within 30 days of that annual fee being charged, and then typically you'll be refunded. You don't have to pay it. And lastly, number 50, earn Chase Ultimate Rewards points to redeem for luxury Hyatt stays for free. And there you have it, 50 super quick travel tips to help you traveling more safely, and traveling smarter in 5 minutes. I hope these tips were really helpful, and if you want to learn more about exactly how I save money to travel more for less and how I travel on a budget in luxury all the time, I definitely recommend checking out my budget travel ebook if you're interested. It goes over my exact methods for traveling on a budget in luxury without sacrificing those luxury experiences. That is how I do it. So definitely recommend checking that out. I will link it below. Other than that, I will see you in next week's video. So for now, ciao.